In this video, I will tell you how to get the NovaBot. So for that, the process is very simple and easy. Just go over the Google Chrome and search NovaBot application, and you will see the Telegram link over here. I will provide this link in the description below as well, so you guys can check it out. Just go ahead and click on that, and you will be redirected to this interface, right? And once you do that, it will ask you to open up the Telegram desktop application. Simply go ahead and click on that. And now you will see this interface, and underneath at the bottom, you will see the start button. Simply go ahead and click on start and it will start it. So simply this is how you guys can set up it. You can ask for your Solana wallet address right here, which is right over here. You can buy, you can sell it, and you can go to setting in order to set up all the things that you want to set up. For example, if you want to go set up a quick sell, free fire, quick buy, auto buy, slippage, so all these things are pretty simple. Simply by clicking on the button, you will be able to do it. For example, if you want to go with the auto buy option, simply go and click on the auto buy, and you can disable add value and buy once, TP and SL, all that stuff just on one click. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this pretty helpful.